How to remove a Facebook account permanently. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to remove a Facebook account permanently. First of all, open up the Facebook app. After opening Facebook, click on Menu from the bottom right corner. From the menu, click on Settings and Privacy. Then tap on Settings. Now from Settings, click on See More in Account Center. Then go into Personal Details from the Account Center. After opening Personal Details, click on Account Ownership and Control. Then tap on the Deactivation or Deletion option. Click on your account, then choose the Delete Your Account Permanently option and click to continue. After that, select a reason for deleting your accounts. Then press Continue. Tap on Continue until it asks you to enter your password. Then enter your password and click on Continue. Now tap on Delete Account to permanently delete your Facebook account. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.